Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up shipping options for your product on your Squarespace store. So let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to be doing first, once you're on your Squarespace site, is you're going to go into the settings menu in the bottom left. Just click on the cog icon, and that'll take you to the settings menu. From here, what we're going to be doing is clicking on selling, and here we can set up all our selling options. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see shipping right under taxes and above pickup. So just click on that, and here you can set up your shipping rates. Now here, as you can see, I have no shipping options except for this third-party label extension, and you can also set up, along with shipping options, pickup options, local delivery options, and fulfillment profiles. And in the case of shipping, you're just going to click add shipping option. You can also import these from Etsy. If you have an Etsy store, they are very easily integrated into this. Now, since I have no shipping options, I'm going to click add shipping option, and that's going to take me to this menu right over here. Now here you can select which option you would like. You either have a flat rate charge for each order, and it's just a flat fee. There is a charge depending on weight, carrier calculated via FedEx, via UPS, or via USPS. Now in my case, I'll just select flat rate for this tutorial, and you can select an option name. I'll just select test. Then you can create a per order fee, for example, $10, and you can fee per item. This is also what you can do. I'll set it to, I don't know, $2. And now that that's done, you can also set up shipping zones. You can ship to, I don't know, Albania, for example. Click save. And now I have a shipping option. You can also select depending on weight, and you can set up the weight classes. For example, from 0 to 1 pounds is $1. From 1.01 to infinite pounds is $1.50. And you can edit these however you want. If I add a new one, as you can see, I can't change the 2.01 to infinity. This is just the most expensive variation from the maximum weight to infinity. If you have anything above the maximum weight you set up, for example, if I change this to 30 pounds, it's going to change it from 30.01 to infinity, so that is unchangeable. But let's say I want to change this to $1.25 from 1 pound to 30 pounds, and you can also name it whatever you want. I'll name it test 2, set up the shipping zones. I'll make it American Samoa, and then once you're done with that, click save, and now you have another shipping option, and you can set it up for each product individually once you actually add or edit the product. And that is basically all you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.